We've developed a different way to safely shampoo your engine. We lightly foam it with our APC to break down all the oil, dirt, and grime. A detail brush is awesome because not only is it gentle, but it's fantastic at getting in all the areas that you want to loosen up and remove all the grease, grime, and dirt that's built up in the engine compartment. We like to use a tornado gun with deionized water for rinsing. It works really good, leaves it nice and clean, and it's very safe around all your sensors and electronic components. We switch over to our Typhoon gun to thoroughly dry everything underneath the hood. This does a really good job of getting in all the cracks and crevices and making sure that there's no water left behind. These are the amazing results we're able to achieve safely and effectively. Hopefully this makes your next engine bay detail a lot easier. And as always, thanks for watching.